Good afternoon everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your mathematics teacher from Venus Small Wonder School. Today we will discuss question number 3 from your exercise 14.4. So please open your book. On page number 269 we have question number 3 of exercise 14.4. The following observations have been arranged in ascending order. जो गिवन आपको ऑब्जर्वेशन है वो अरेंज्ड है पहले से असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में. इफ द मीडियन ऑफ द डाटा इज 63, मीडियन गिवन है आपको दैट इज 63. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x. x की वैल्यू हमको फाइंड करनी है. ओके, सो लेट्स राइट द डाटा. 29, 32, 48, 50, x plus 2, 72, 78, 84, 95. ठीक है. काउंट दिस ऑब्जर्वेशंस. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Number of observations are 10. Number of observations is equals to 10, that is even. ठीक है. And what else is given to us? That is your median. Median here is 63. Now what we have to find? We have to find value of x. आपको दिख रहा है ना इसमें डाटा में x is here, so we have to find this unknown value of x. So what is the formula when we have even number of observations? Median is equals to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. ठीक है. क्या करना है आपको? इवन ऑब्जर्वेशंस के लिए जो मीडियन का फॉर्मूला होता है दैट यू हैव टू टेक. That is n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. Now put value of n. n की वैल्यू क्या है? It's 10. So 10 by 2 2th observation. Similarly 10 by 2 plus 1th observation all divided by 2. Okay. Median, as it is given to us in the question, median value is 63. So in place of median you need to write 63. ठीक है. median की जगह क्या लिखोगे आप? 63. Solve this. This will be 5. This will also be 5. So 63 is equals to 5th observation plus this is 5 plus 1, that is your 6th observation whole divided by 2. Now see the data that is already arranged in the ascending order. ये जो डाटा गिवन है आपको इसमें से आपको 5th और 6th ऑब्जर्वेशन को पिक करना है. So this is first, second, third, fourth, 5th and this is your 6th. This is 5th and this one is your 6th observation. So 5th one is x and 6th one is x plus 2 divided by 2 and this is equals to 63. Okay, solve this. On the left hand side we have 63 multiplied by 2. जो डिनोमिनेटर में 2 है that will move to the left hand side, ट्रांसपोज हो जाएगा and becomes numerator. डिनोमिनेटर उधर जाएगा तो क्या बन जाएगा? This will be your numerator is equals to x plus 2. x plus 2. 63 2s are 126. x plus x. x plus x is 2x. 2x plus 2. Or we can write 126 minus 2 is equals to 2x. न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यूज को आपको एक साइड लेना है. ठीक है. Subtract these two. 124 is equals to 2x or 124 divided by 2 is equals to x, or we can say x is equals to 60. 62. Therefore, the value of this unknown variable x here is 62. Okay? Clear everyone? इस तरह का क्वेश्चन जब भी आएगा, दिस क्वेश्चन इज इम्पोर्टेंट. आपको क्या गिवन है? देखो मीडियन आपको गिवन होगा, ठीक है. इन द गिवन डाटा वेरिएबल इज प्रेजेंट. आपको उसकी क्या निकालनी होगी? वैल्यू निकालनी होगी. सो यू नीड टू काउंट फर्स्ट द नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन. सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे? नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन को काउंट करोगे. सो आफ्टर काउंटिंग नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन, व्हेन यू हैव इवन ऑब्जर्वेशन, ठीक है, इवन होगा तो आपको क्या लगाना है? यू हैव टू पुट वैल्यू इन द फॉर्मूला इन विच वी हैव इवन नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन. दैट इज n by 12th ऑब्जर्वेशन प्लस n by 2 प्लस 1th ऑब्जर्वेशन. ठीक है. 5th ऑब्जर्वेशन और 6th ऑब्जर्वेशन की आपको क्या करनी है? उस गिवन डाटा में से जो ऑलरेडी अरेंज्ड है, अगर ये आपका अरेंज नहीं होता है, देन यू हैव टू अरेंज द गिवन डाटा इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ठीक है. अरेंज करोगे, देन यू विल फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ 5th एंड 6th ऑब्जर्वेशन. दोनों ऑब्जर्वेशन की वैल्यू निकालोगे, रिप्लेस द ऑब्जर्वेशंस, पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ मीडियन, जो भी आपकी वैल्यू गिवन है, then solve it. After solving, you will have last as the value of x, that is the unknown variable. Okay, understood? Now let's discuss the next question, that is question number 4. Fourth question is, find the mode of 14, 25, 14, 28, 18, 17, 18, 14, 23, 22, 14 and 18. ठीक है. तो हमको इसको क्या निकालना है इस डाटा का? वी हैव टू फाइंड मोड ऑफ द गिवन ऑब्जर्वेशंस. लेट्स राइट द डाटा फर्स्ट. Yes, question number 4. Data is 14, 25, 14, 28, 18, 17, 18, 14, 23, 22, 14 and the last one is 18. ठीक है. Now after writing the data, we have to arrange the given data in ascending order. ठीक है. चाहे आपको मोड निकालना है या मीडियन निकालना है, first you have to arrange the data in ascending order. So arranging data in ascending order. Least value is 14. So 14 is how many times? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 14 is 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and this is your 4. Now the next number is which one? 15 is missing, 16, 17. Okay, so 17 is here 1 times. After 17 is only 1. Next is 18. 18 is repeated 1, 2 and this one is 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we have which number? 19 is missing, 20, 21 is also missing, 22. Yes, here is 22. Then we have 22 is only 1 time. उसके बाद आपको लिखना है 23, which is also only 1 time. Okay. Then 24 is missing. 25 is here, which is only 1 time. So write here 25. Next is 26 is missing. 27 is also, and then we have 27 नहीं है, 28. Now count the number of observations. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Okay, number of observations same हो गए. Now what we have to find? We have to find mode. Yes, mode निकालना है. Can you tell me class 9 what is the mode of this given observations? देखो 14, this is 4 times, 17 1 time, 18 3 times, 22 1 time, 23 1 time, 25 1 time, and 28. This one is also work time. Now, can you tell me? Yes, what is the answer for this question? Mode of the given data. बता सकते हो आप? Data मैंने लिख दिया है बोर्ड पे. And frequency also I have written. Which of the data is having maximum frequency? कौन सा ज़्यादा frequently repeat हो रहा है? 14 is 4 times, 17 is 1 time, 18 3 times, 22 1 time, 23 1 time, 25 1 time, and 28 1 time. Yes, the correct answer is 14 because 14 is the most frequently occurring value of observation. ठीक है, इस क्वेश्चन के लिए क्या आंसर होगा? 14. 14 is the most frequent value. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Understood everyone? Now the next question is find the mean salary of 60 workers of a factory from the following table. आपको टेबल गिवन है, ठीक है. In the table we are having two type of the data, that is तो सैलरी गिवन है, that is your XI गिवन है, and number of workers. जो भी नंबर होता है काउंटिंग होती है, that is always the frequency. ठीक है. So frequencies are given to us and XI value is given to us, and we have to find what? We have to find the mean salary निकालनी है. Now remember the example that we have discussed in the previous lecture. कैसे सॉल्व किया था आपको याद है? Please try to solve this by yourself in our next lecture, next class. We will discuss from this question. Okay, this is all for today, class 9. Thank you and have a nice day.